Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix getting shadow banned on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to know is you shouldn't violate any of the community guidelines that is provided by TikTok. If any of your videos violate the community guidelines, then there is sure to be shadow ban on your account. So in order to do that, just follow the community guidelines and make your videos. Now the second thing is updating the TikTok. Sometimes the update also might be the cause of your issue, so just go to your app store and then tap on TikTok, type in TikTok and then tap on the app to see the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is go back to your profile and then tap on the three horizontal bar icon and then tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on report a problem. And once you do that, all you gotta do is just simply select a reason and then you can contact with TikTok and then they will probably fix the issue. After a couple of days, the TikTok will fix the issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.